what's going on, guys?
Hey
My name is
guys,
Grimmruthless.
what's going on? My name's not Grim, and welcome back to the vlog.
Why? Why?
I'm mute.
Look, then you're gonna need these. There you go.
Do this.
It's her channel now.
Alright, so guys, hi, see us. How you doing? Alright, so today we're at Jackson and we're gonna play some ping pong and we're gonna get bunked at noon.
Those don't look fun yet.
Alright, so we're just gonna deal with the ones that
We're the
happen now.
Beanie Crew!
What up? So we're typical hipsters, you know?
Yes. What up, players? Tits
How's
out for
everyone
Robin.
doing? I'm just kidding.
We're not shooting that kind of video.
So guys, hey, we picked up this stranger. Do you want to see who it is?
This faggot over here.
What do you do? What do you do with this thing? What is this thing called?
It's a camera.
It's called a
dipshit.
What? It's a what? Ah!
So
Ray!
meet our friend. No one knows who he is. He's just a stray.
I'm a stray.
You're a stray.
This is our channel. Get out.
We don't know you.
Get the fuck out.
Just about to break, I will try to find my place in the diary of dreams. As I burn another page, as I look the other way, I still try to find my place in the diary of dreams. So tell me how it should be.
You ruined it. We used to sing that all the time in high school, and he would hit the notes, and I'd say, Fluffy, reconnect with your goals.
Yep.
Gross.
We're gonna beat him. Go, 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 go.
Really? You're gonna beat me? I'm on an escalator. Come on. Come on. Thank you, helicopter, for ruining my intro. Ruining my intro.
Yo, what's up? Don't.
So I'm not sure if you guys got the plan and mixed all that bull crap. So we're gonna go play some ping pong and pool and mix drinks in amongst those, and most likely get slightly, completely wasted.
Slightly, completely.
Slightly, completely.
We're getting fucked up.
Come on, sugar, let the good times roll, let them roll, baby. Thrill my soul all night long, baby. Yeah, lots of people talking make-believe now, baby. Yeah, keep a lot of secrets up their sleeve. Lord said, well, you got me flipping like a flag on a pole, girl. Yeah, I said, come on, sugar, let them roll, let them roll. Thank you, baby. Let the good times roll, baby, thrill my soul tonight. Lord said you've got it, said I need it, said you want it. Woo!
How are you doing today?
Great. Listen to the voice. We're just waiting for the doors to open so we can go and get drunk and whatnot and have some fun tomorrow. Just never mind. Fuck, where's the button? I can't find the button. The inaugural break. Go! Go, Timmy!
Oh, just kidding.
Wow! here's the problem. I'm already not going. So let's see these tattoos. Alright guys, that wraps up the Boulevard Billiards. Now, we're heading over to Serve, the ping pong bar.
I got smoke in my eye because I'm a genius.
Yep, she's smart.
I actually look good in that shot. My hair looks good.
This camera makes everybody look fantastic.
Except for me.
Give me the dough! Hold the dough! You're good, mate.
I knew I would get you.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up?
Oops. It's my girlfriend.
Stop on it. You can hear
A
your
what?
heartbeat.
I can feel your heart beating like ayo,
There we
ayo.
go. Beat, 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 beat. Don't shake, it hurts my leg. No, you got a bony little ass. 12, 13, 14.
Lord said, she said you got it, said I need it, said you want it. Woo!
So obviously, we're here at the Serve. It's a ping pong bar. We're having a lot of fun. We got a whole pitcher of beer, and Alex and Amanda are playing right now, so that's a thing. I'm just gonna sit here and relax and enjoy. To the vloggers, the subscribers, the viewers, the audience, my victims. I want this one. Give me this one. Give me this one.
Hi, YouTube.
First person mode. First person. Well, that sucked.
So, Grim,
Yeah.
how you feeling on this
How you feeling?
beautiful fall evening?
You feeling it now,
It's,
Mr. Krabs?
What?
You feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
Yes, I am. Feeling good.
What would you like to say to your fellow subscribers?
What should I say?
Say you love them
Like honestly?
as you fall.
No. I'm just.
Fall
Sit-
down,
Huh?
fall down, go boom.
No.
We make him giggles.
People in the comments are gonna say me having drinks tonight is
Shut.
irresponsible. Shut up. Take the ball. People in the comments down below are gonna say me drinking tonight is irresponsible.
I'm gonna be the
and I
one
should
to
be
say
spending
that.
the money on more important things.
I'm gonna be the
But
one
I
to
say
say
fuck that. If I want to drink, I'm gonna drink because you only have one life and you should live it how you want to, not the way other people tell you you should.
Ooh, that's good.
I'm falling over. Not really. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm sober. I could drive a car.
No.
That one.
You talk a lot, so say something.
Something.
Not literally something.
Put that camera away. Alright guys, this is the time of night where I turn off the camera, spend the last few minutes I have with my friends. Tomorrow I'm going to Albion Falls with my friends. So yeah, I'm just gonna fall into the camera now as a transition. Ready?
And that does it for the city portion of the vlog. I'm about to jump to hanging out with my friend Kenzie, and we're gonna go to Albion Falls. So here starts the nature part of this vlog. I wonder how many times I've pulled out my camera on this little stretch of road here. Is it?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to the top of the falls or the bottom?
We could go to the top and the bottom if you want.
Because the bottom looks nicer.
We ended up back here. We're in a private puppy property, fenced in. If I went with a girl, we would have died because like I was smoking one when I was out. I have no life.
Whoa!
What?
It's a chilly day, but the sun is killing me.
I'm like overheating right now.
I know, same. We're actually really close to Albion Falls, isn't it? Like right here?
It's just after this one. There's like a mini waterfall like right
Yeah. So we're hiking the Upper Albion area. So yeah, that's the thing. Look at all the people on the other side just standing there.
That's like Albion Falls. Like I can see other people.
Alright, so I think it's quite obvious we're at Albion Falls now. If you guys don't know what Albion Falls is, for you people out of Hamilton, or for you hermit crabs that live under a goddamn rock, it's like the most well-known waterfall. I saw that. It's the most well-known waterfall in Hamilton. What's up, dude? What's up, Bambi?
You know it's puppy and like I'm just being careful. There's a lot of water today over there. It's like,
See, I'm just flying through this, but she is like a tortoise.
Soaking wet.
Rude. There's children watching. Oh, ho, ho. That hurt. I lost Kenzie. No, I didn't. There she is. Up there. Fight, 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 fight.
Okay, wait one sec.
What are you doing?
I was trying to get the picture.
Look guys, the leaves are changing colors! Yay! Leaf colors changing!